So ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was not
No,
the
let's ask the
appropriations
committee
chair.
chair. Let's ask
at
the
the
committee
time.
secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report? Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy. So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba? 0.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20,795,000,000. So, tapos